Hi friends, I'm Ruth and welcome to my channel Count Your Blessings. Hope you all are doing good. Well, for today's video, I'm sharing with you a simple trash to treasure makeover. So without further ado, let's get started.
For this project, I'm using these empty munch containers and wood grain contact paper. And this is my entry for the Useful DIY Challenge hosted by Mom from Momdas Handmade and her co-host for this month, Eileen, from the Hart's DIY on a Budget. I'll link their channels and the playlist in the description box below. Please be sure to check it out for all their other lovely entries. Now let's continue with the project. I'm going to cut off the top flaps and I'm going to stick them inside to make the bottom a bit more sturdier. And as for the side flaps, I'm just hot gluing it. I wanted to make one of those centerpieces that I've been seeing that people make with these crates that they get. But since I couldn't get those crates, I'm just improvising with what I have. So after the first part is done, I'm gluing all three boxes together with some hot glue. Do stay till the end, check out the outcome and let me know your views on how it turned out. And if you see the camera shaking, I had my son helping me out with taking these footages. He actually enjoyed himself. So sorry for the shaky video. I wrapped the contact paper. I first measured it out and cut it out, and then I rolled it the other way around so that it wouldn't be too difficult to stick. This I think is actually a wallpaper, but except for its original purpose, I'm using it for everything else. You'll also see me using it in a previous DIY. I'll link it also. I peeled the backing completely and then stuck it to the box. My little one was enjoying himself. I first stuck one corner. And then the base. And I cut out the edges. And folded the flaps inside so that the front would look neat. And for this project, I had the wood grain go lengthwise. And I thought that would be a much realistic look. I tuck the side flaps inside before doing the front. I folded the top edges inside so that it would give a much neater look. And at the end I also cut a small strip and covered the inside where two boxes meet. You can also cover the inside of the boxes to give it a much neater look, but since the inside will not be visible, I did not do that. I cut small slits where two boxes met so that it was easier to fold over. And yes, as usual, I did have some problem with getting the contact paper fully on it. This video has not been sped up, and this is in real time, and it took me less than 10 minutes to do it. And here's how it looks. You can also turn it upside down and make it into a stand. And this is the first way I decorated it, as a decorative centerpiece with some faux greenery in the center and some pretty pink peonies and some Christmas glitter at the back. Alternatively, you can also use it as a desk decor. Here is my Bible and a notebook, color pencils, and some snacks. please do like, share, comment and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I'm at countyourblessings8320. And that was my project. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Also, do check out all the other entries and be inspired. Until next time, take care, God bless, bye bye, smile, Jesus loves you.